Week 17, day 3, camper rebuild. Got the countertop skeletonized in. I've been picking away at it over the week here. And it's all dead level with itself here, so that's good. And I got a mixture of screws and brad nails holding it together, but it's all going to get screwed and paneled and everything, so it's going to be pretty structurally sound by the time it's done. Sink's going to be right there. There's going to be a drawer right above the trash can there. Going to have a little air intakes for the heater. Have a vent right in the corner here. And yeah, so far so good.